Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing no access to Marketplace when trying to open Facebook Marketplace? This usually means your account doesn't currently meet Marketplace requirements or has been restricted due to policy violations. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix no access to Marketplace on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So why you have no access to Marketplace? Common reasons include accounts under 18 years old, Marketplace not available in your region, account too new, violation of commerce policies, repeated listing removals, suspicious activity or spam. So Facebook automatically removes access when policies are violated, okay? So now open Facebook, go to settings and privacy here, okay? Tap settings and then tap account status. Look for marketplace restrictions, check if it's temporary or permanent. This is the most important step, okay? So you can request review if available. So open the restriction notice, tap request review and submit a calm explanation. So be professional and clear, avoid blaming Facebook. Reviews usually take 24 to 72 hours, okay? You can review commerce policies, so make sure you didn't list prohibited items. Avoid reposting removed listings and remove any borderline items. So fix the cause before requesting review, okay? Secure your account, so change your password, enable two-factor authentication, review login activity. Suspicious logins can remove marketplace access. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.